Welcome back to SynapTech, your go-to source for bite-sized AI and tech insights. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most transformative areas in technology: how AI is revolutionizing the world of autonomous driving. From self-driving cars to smart traffic systems, AI is changing how we move, commute, and even think about transportation. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is autonomous driving? At its core, it's the ability of a vehicle to navigate, make decisions, and operate without human intervention. But behind this simple definition lies a complex network of sensors, algorithms, and AI systems working together to ensure a smooth and safe ride. One of the key technologies that enable autonomous driving is computer vision. Using cameras and deep learning models, AI can interpret its surroundings by recognizing pedestrians, traffic lights, road signs, and even lane markings. This visual information helps the car understand where it is and how to navigate safely. But vision alone isn't enough. That's where LiDAR comes into play. LiDAR, or light detection and ranging, uses lasers to create detailed 3D maps of the environment. This helps the vehicle detect objects, measure distances, and even see in the dark or in adverse weather conditions. Radar is another important technology. Unlike LiDAR, radar works well in fog, rain, and snow, making it an essential backup system for reliable detection of other vehicles and obstacles on the road. Combining radar with computer vision and LiDAR gives autonomous vehicles a robust, multi-layered understanding of their surroundings. Now, let's talk about the brain behind the operation, the AI software. This is where machine learning and deep learning models come into play. They analyze data from all those sensors in real time, predict the behavior of other drivers and pedestrians, and make decisions like when to brake, accelerate, or change lanes. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, Baidu Apollo, and NVIDIA are at the forefront of developing these AI systems. Tesla's approach relies heavily on cameras and neural networks, while Waymo combines LiDAR, radar, and cameras for a more conservative but highly accurate system. Each company has its own philosophy on how to achieve safe autonomous driving. So, how is AI reshaping the driving experience for everyday users? For starters, features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking are already using AI to make driving safer and more convenient. These are often considered Level 2 automation features, meaning the driver still needs to supervise the vehicle, but the AI can handle specific tasks. As we move towards higher levels of autonomy, like Level 4 and Level 5, AI will take over all driving tasks in certain environments or even everywhere. Imagine reading a book or taking a nap while your car navigates rush hour traffic with ease. It's not science fiction anymore. It's becoming reality. Let's look at some real-world examples. Waymo has been operating autonomous taxis in parts of Phoenix, Arizona, offering driverless rides to paying customers. Tesla's full self-driving beta is being tested by thousands of users on public roads, learning and improving with every mile. Baidu's Apollo Go has launched robo-taxi services in China, showing that autonomous driving is a global race. But it's not just passenger cars. Autonomous trucks are also on the rise. Companies like TuSimple and Embark are testing self-driving trucks on highways, aiming to make logistics faster, safer, and more efficient. AI helps these trucks maintain safe distances, optimize routes, and even handle sudden obstacles on the road. Of course, the rise of AI in autonomous driving brings challenges too. One major concern is safety. How do we ensure that AI makes the right decisions in complex, unpredictable situations? Developers use millions of miles of real-world and simulated data to train and test their models. But accidents can still happen, and public trust is crucial. Ethical considerations are also important. For example, how should an autonomous vehicle handle an unavoidable accident? Should it prioritize the safety of its passengers or pedestrians? These questions highlight the need for clear regulations and ethical frameworks. Data privacy is another issue. Autonomous vehicles collect vast amounts of data about passengers, driving habits, and surroundings. It's essential to have policies in place to protect this data from misuse and ensure transparency in how it's collected and stored. Looking ahead, the future of AI in autonomous driving is incredibly promising. With advancements in 5G connectivity, vehicles will be able to communicate with each other and with smart traffic infrastructure, further enhancing safety and efficiency. Imagine cars coordinating with traffic lights, avoiding congestion, and even sharing information about hazards on the road in real time. We're also likely to see more integration between autonomous vehicles and smart cities. Parking, charging, and maintenance could all be automated, making transportation more seamless and sustainable. AI will be at the center of this ecosystem, optimizing every aspect of how we move around. At SynapTech, we're excited to keep exploring the evolution of AI in autonomous driving. We'll bring you the latest updates, deep dives, and expert interviews to help you stay informed and ready for the road ahead. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into AI and autonomous driving. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from SynapTech. Let us know in the comments what you think about the future of autonomous vehicles. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the frontiers of AI with SynapTech.